Alright, this is attempt number 4 or 5. Definitely have reduced it to the filament issue. Got a brand new reel. Switched brands, went to Sunlu for the gold this time. I just had some Creality, but it wasn't even that old, so I was kind of surprised how bad it was. But so far, the stringing is significantly less to nil. I've preemptively removed a few wisps out of my PTSD I have now. Yeah, significantly better. And I had even tried out the filament and tried it and everything. Sometimes you just gotta say no and call it quits. Let me show you the other ones. Here is number 1. I don't know where to begin. You can kind of see what was happening here. I'm assuming the stringing was getting between the layers and kind of separating it. But it was making everything incredibly weak as well, besides ugly. I could literally put some pressure on it with my thumb, kind of like I am right now. Oops. And it just pop off. I think it's in one of the other videos. But yeah, it was just really rough. I'm surprised it came out this good, to be honest. Inside's not terrible. I couldn't really get all of the... I didn't try that hard either. I was kind of disappointed, so... And then we'll move on to the other guy. So, when I saw how bad this had failed, I basically started another one, but changing the base to a green. This one wasn't for anyone or a customer or anything like that. I just kind of thought the green would look dope with the gold and gave me some Legend of Zelda vibes. Kind of like a Hyrule edition. But yeah, this was after I used the filament dryer and dried it out for 6 hours twice. A lot less stringing, but still pretty shitty. We're still getting some of those layers. The worst of them popped off already out because I was just like, I guess we'll do it for the video, huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, and you can't sell that to somebody, even if you glued it. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be for the wall too. I'm just gonna have a wall of fame, I guess. I don't want to kind of give it negative comments any more than it already is. This is one of the bigger masks too, so it takes a long time and a lot of filament. So after I saw that one failed, I was like, alright, time for the proof test here, and did it all in white, and no problems, no issues at all. It actually looks pretty sweet in white, but nothing going on there. So that was definitely telling me I needed a different brand of filament, or at least a new roll. So I went and got the Sunlu one. That's kind of who I've been using all my filament through now anyway. That was just kind of some stuff I had left over, but it wasn't even that old. Like, literally been open maybe a couple months, and I've used it. Did not have this bag of a problem, or maybe I did and I can't remember. But either way, there's only so much you can do with what you got, and sometimes you just got to start fresh and save yourself the headache, I guess, and some sanity. This was a painful 40 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours, something like that. So probably like a 5-day, almost a good week. I'm just watching this happen every day, and I was just really, really frustrated. But all is good. If you found this video helpful or anything like that, please comment, like, subscribe. Share your experiences with other people. Let them know what you did or what it was that was causing it. I think we all should learn together. It's the best way. Thanks again. Keep A.